Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and this is going to be my monthly reset for August. So I've kind of done a lot of the things that I would typically do on the computer, so I'm just going to kind of walk you through it and show you those things and explain what has changed because there's been a couple. So we're going to talk about financials, YouTube videos, my planner, budget tracking chart, and then of course the monthly tasks that I chose to do this month. Let's talk about YouTube. I'm sure you're aware I did skip a video this week. Part of it is that I am struggling to come up with video ideas at times, and other times it's just I haven't been feeling super fab, so I've had to take a break and took one day off. I've already set up my tracker sheet for this upcoming month. I filmed some things and I'm getting ready to do more, but I don't want to show you too much of that. But of course, as always, if you have video ideas that you'd like to see from me, let me know so that way I can go ahead and do those things to fill in my gaps. And then the second thing to talk about would be budget. So July was fine. It was great. I had an extra paycheck, which allowed me to actually pay off my Discover student loan. So I'm so happy, one more debt down. Going into August, so what that means, because I kind of do like the debt snowball method, since I paid off my Discover student loan, and that was about $290 I was paying monthly just as an automatic regardless. Now I do get bonuses in my job, so when I do get those, I usually split that up, do half into my debt and half to like sinking funds and savings, just so I have my cushion for things I need. But on normal now, because I'm rolling that $290 into my Discover credit card, which is my next debt to pay off, that's going to put that payment like close to $485, maybe $500. So that's probably the main change that's going to occur in my budget for the month of August. And then of course I was able to update my debt tracker sheet. So Discover student loan is gone. I'm excited. It leaves me with 2 student loans and a credit card left. So we're making progress. We're getting there. But those are the things that I did on here. And I guess to kind of talk about the debt tracker. So when I first started trying to pay off my debt, I kind of created this like chart where I could put like my debts, and then I could color it in as I was paying things off, and I could put the date it was paid off, because sometimes just seeing numbers isn't enough. I needed something where I could visually see that yes, it's getting less and less, to create that momentum in myself. So the only problem is obviously when I set up Discover credit card, I made this, but I didn't take into account like interest and the fact that I was only making the minimum payments while I was focusing on the debts previous. So this chart is definitely not right for the month of, well, ongoing, I should say. So today, after I get done talking to you here, we're going to go do a sit down portion where I'm going to redo this chart. I don't think I'm going to do the one for the student loan because that one's not like crazy messed up. But my Discover credit card, I need to redo a fresh chart for that one for coloring in, so it's a little more accurate to what I'm doing. So that's one thing we're going to do in a little bit. And I'll just insert footage of me making it so you can see. And then of course, planner, we always talk about in here the monthly spread really. I don't really focus on the weekly because that's something I do at the beginning of each week. I've kind of already gone into this and added in like the bills that are due, the ones that I have anyway, and I've plugged those in because I like to highlight them, and it gives me an overview compared to my paychecks. But that was pretty much everything I wanted to talk about before I insert some other things. Oh, we always talk about health goal or health tasks that I'm trying to accomplish throughout the month. I think I finally have gotten into an established routine with working out that is working. I completed 2 full weeks at this point of being consistent. So to explain what I'm doing, I've decided that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm going to do 20 minutes on the treadmill, trying to, get my mile pace up. And that's been working. Now, I will say, if I have to mow the yard, that's kind of going to override any type of workout at all because it's a lot of work and it is definitely a good cardio. So basically Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, I will do the treadmill for 20 minutes. I will gradually increase that time, but for right now, that's what's been working. And then every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. No, I said that wrong. It's Friday, not Thursday. I'm going to do, I don't know if you guys have ever used Tone It Up, the program. I have been following them for years, and that kind of got me into a workout kick from home. They do like a daily move thing that's for free on their app. And then also I've been kind of following Love Sweat Fitness as well, or LSF. And they also do the same thing on their app. There's daily moves that are free. So they're only like probably 10 to 15 minutes to get through their moves. But that has been working. And because it's something new every day, it's not like I can plan for it. I just tell myself, okay, you're going to complete this and then do the treadmill. Or on the days I'm not doing cardio, I just do that. And that has been working for me. So I'm going to stay consistent with that. And then of course, Sundays, I always take the dog for a walk in the mornings to the park or the loop. And that I will continue with because it's good for him and it's great for me to get outside and do it. And we go early enough in the morning, it's before the heat of the day. So that definitely has been working. And then lastly, to talk about tasks. So we all know that I like to complete 2 to 3 tasks every month, things that I don't typically do like all the time, but occasionally need to be done. So for this month, and again, I'll insert clips of me actually doing these things, but first thing was that I wanted to clean the vacuum filter again. I do that every couple months because it's a cordless vac, but I've noticed that when it gets really grimy on the filter part of it, the suction's not as great, but if I clean it, it's like it's brand new again. So I did clean the filter. And then the second task that I did was to clean my shower. So yes, I spray my shower. I have like a mildew shower spray that you just spray when you get out. But every now and then I need to go in and, because like shampoo and conditioners and things will get built up on the wall. So I will go in and spray and literally wipe all the walls, the shower head. And then at the back of my shower, there's this little bench area of like granite material. I use that to kind of put like my shampoos, conditioners, body wash, all that stuff. So every now and then I got to pull everything off and literally clean that down. And I probably should do it more often, but I don't. So on this day I did go ahead and pull everything, wipe that all down. And then the third task that I did, I don't wash my rugs all the time because they fall apart if you do that too much. But I did need to wash the back door rug. It gets dirty. Everybody walks in on it with their shoes. And then by the sink I had spilled, I think, pancake mix or something one day. So that needed to be washed. And in my bathroom rug, I needed to wash as well because I accidentally like cut my toe one night and it bled on the rug. And I wanted to get that washed before it got too set into the rug itself. So that one also got washed. So those were kind of like the 3 monthly tasks that I went ahead and completed. Yeah, so that's pretty much my reset. I feel like I'm prepared. I'm ready to go into August, especially financially. Like I'm so excited to start on the next debt and watch that one disappear slowly. But yeah, I'm gonna also get that debt tracker sheet made. But as always, I hope everybody enjoyed watching. Maybe this gave you an idea of how to prepare for August for yourself. And I hope everybody has a blessed day.